Yeah, hi team. So I just received blue screen error in laptop and it's restarted. Sharing screen. So we are talking about instance options. Okay. So remove demo data. Like when we created our ServiceNow instance. Okay, when we created our ServiceNow instance. So everywhere we have some demo data. For example, if I'm going with incident. So you can see. So we have few data here. So you can see we have few demo data here. For every table, we have some demo data. Like after creation of your ServiceNow instance, if you don't want demo data, you just click here. You click remove demo data. Like it will clear all demo data from your ServiceNow instance. It will clear all demo data from your ServiceNow instance. Okay. Next. Reset and wipe instance. Maybe for you, it is given this is the ServiceNow instance ID. Maybe if you don't want the ServiceNow instance ID, maybe you don't want the ServiceNow instance ID. For example, in our case, Anurag having already ServiceNow instance earlier, and maybe he's done some work within that ServiceNow instance. Okay. So, if you want to remove all our work, so if you want to remove all our work, earlier we did, okay? So we have to use reset and wipe instance. Yes, keep my instance name and you can reset and wipe the instance. Same instance number will keep and it will reset our service to instance. Whatever the work you did earlier, everything will be gone and it will show as a new instance with the same instance number. Got it, everyone? So you done some changes in your ServiceNow instance. Now you want your ServiceNow instance as new ServiceNow instance with same instance number. At that time, so if you want to clear whatever the work you did earlier, so we can use a reset and wipe instance. Okay. And if you don't want the ServiceNow instance number, so if you can select no, it will also give you the new instance number. Okay, this is the reset and wipe instance. Next, upgrade instance. Upgrade instance. Now, my ServiceNow instance is came as Xnode, but latest version is Ecoma. Latest version of ServiceNow is Ecoma. Okay. So, but when I request for the instance, it came as Xnode. Okay, if you want to upgrade your ServiceNow instance to latest version. So always everybody install your ServiceNow instance was latest one, Ecoma instance version you can try. Okay, upgrade instance. You have to install your instance as a Ecoma. So you just click on this version and you click on upgrade instance. It will be automatically upgraded to this latest version. Once upgrade is completed, you will receive an email to your personal email address. So this upgrade process almost it will take 3 hours time. Upgrade process will take 3 hours time. So if anybody having your ServiceNow instances on Xnode version, so immediately after this class, you can upgrade your ServiceNow instance to Ecoma release. Okay, maybe I will also upgrade my instance to Ecoma. So after end of this class, next you can see the view history. So if we changed any passwords, if you activated any plugins, so everything will be captured here. Okay, so you can see I was changed the password one time, so it is captured. If any plugins activated, it will be appears. So if we are resetting any service, if we are resetting wiping the service or instances, it will be appear here. Okay, this is view history. Get help. So if we go to the get help, you are able to see all community links. Okay, you are able to see all community links. This is ServiceNow developer instance options. Any queries from this developer instance options? Any queries? Please let me know.
Nothing from my end, Ajay. I'm clear.
Okay, perfect. Next. So we can note down few points about service now. Okay. Service now. So here I'm going to tell you how the service now came to market. Okay. You can note down these points. Service now is a ticketing tool. Service now is a ticketing tool. Service now was started from 2004. Service now was started from 2004. Service now was started from 2004. Who is invented the service now? Service now was invented by Fred Luddy. Service now was invented by Fred Luddy. Okay. Service now was invented by Fred Luddy. Yes, ServiceNow idea. Yeah, it is a platform. I will come to that point, Jani Basha. Okay. Initially, it is a ticketing tool. Now we are calling it as a platform. I will come to that point. So I'm just explaining you the how the ServiceNow came to the market. Okay. Yes. Fred Luddy is the inventor of ServiceNow instant. So for example, if you are attending ServiceNow training, so we have motive. So we have reason for that. So if we are going to somewhere, definitely, if we are doing something, definitely we have reason behind that. Okay. Even Fred Luddy also having some reason behind that. So basically, Fred Luddy before service now, Fred Luddy worked for the BMC Remedy almost for 20 years. Before service now, Fred Luddy worked for BMC Remedy almost for 20 years. So I hope everybody knows that. So if it is not a cloud, so we have to install servers, we have to deploy the code, we have many things to do. Okay. Like within the BMC remedy also, it is a platform. So we have to set up everything. For example, if we want a new BMC remedy portal, so we have to install that in our organizational environment, and so we need database, we need technology, we need web servers to host something within that particular portal. Okay. So Fred Luddy has seen all these things, like he has in his mind, he has, I want to develop a new thing like more advanced than this. So that is service now. Okay. So he came out from BMC Remedy and he started developing new application with more advanced features like cloud. Okay. More advanced features like cloud and more advanced features than whatever the applications at present, in the market. Okay. More advanced features than those applications. Okay. He is planned to develop. So that is the service now. We can note on this point as well. Today, for 20 years. Okay. Fred Luddy has taken decision to develop a more advanced system than BMC remedy. Okay. So that is the service now, actually. That is the service now. ServiceNow was started in 2004 with ITSM. ServiceNow was started in 2004 with ITSM. In ITSM at that time, in ITSM, mostly we have ticketing related incident, problem, change, request. These all are related to tickets and tracking. Okay. So we are calling ServiceNow is a ticketing tool at that time. We are calling ServiceNow is a ticketing tool at that time. So if we develop something new, like we cannot go directly into the market, right? We cannot go directly into the market. So, ServiceNow company, Fred Luddy service started like ServiceNow company itself started developing this application. Okay, it's invented by Fred Luddy itself. Okay, and they make the application name, a software name, okay, a platform name, same same as the company name. Okay, they named that particular application name same as the company name, that is ServiceNow. Okay, yes. Now, once they started ServiceNow in 2004, first of all, they started using internally. First, they started internally within the ServiceNow company. Okay, you can note down this point. ServiceNow company started using service tool internally. So, so they have used this particular tool some period of time internally. Then after, so once they feel it should be good, yes, we can provide this to our customers, our existing customers. Okay. Like after using internally, they started giving this ServiceNow tool to their existing customers. Okay. So ServiceNow company has received positive feedback on this particular tool. Okay. ServiceNow company received positive feedback on this particular tool. Okay. You can note down this point as well. After some time, ServiceNow company, their existing customers, they got good response from the customers. Okay. So if they got good response from their existing customers, definitely their next step is going to the market. Okay. So ServiceNow started giving ServiceNow tool to the outside the customers from December 2011. So you can see how much time they have taken to send ServiceNow tool to outside the market. Almost 7 years. We can consider it is 7 years. Almost 7 years. Okay. This much time has taken to bring ServiceNow tool into the market. So ServiceNow started. So ServiceNow started. Service now for the outside customers from the market from December 2011. Okay. So once they find good results internally, they started giving Servicenow instance to their existing customers. Even they got good response from them, they started giving Servicenow instance from December 2011 in the market. The Servicenow is in the market from December 2011 onwards. Okay. Servicenow is came out to the market with ITSM tool. Okay, in 2011 also it came with ITSM tool. So we are calling Servicenow is a ticketing. So we are calling Servicenow is a ticketing tool. Okay. Next. So they came up with ITSM tool into the market. Okay. Once they came up with ITSM tool, they will not sit silently. So they started implementing different tools or modules within the ServiceNow. Okay. After some time, ServiceNow company started implementing different modules in ServiceNow. Okay. After they came into the market, okay, they started implementing different modules into the ServiceNow. After some time, started implementing the different models into the ServiceNow. So we are calling ServiceNow is a platform. So we are calling ServiceNow is a platform. Got it? Now, ServiceNow is not a ticketing tool. We cannot call it is a ticketing tool. So, if anybody calling ServiceNow is a ticketing tool, that is a wrong statement. ServiceNow is a platform. Within ServiceNow, we have many modules available. Like for example, if we are taking a SAP, so we have many things in SAP like SAP HANA, SAP Warehouse, SAP MDG, like that. In ServiceNow, we have many modules like ITSM, ITOM, ITBM, ITAM, HAM, SAM, SecOps, FSM, like that. We have many models. For each and every market, having one module. Finance, we have one model. Business, we have one module. Okay. Security, we have one module. Like that. For customers, we have one module. HR department, one module. Like that. We have many modules in ServiceNow. Okay. ServiceNow is a platform. So from today onwards, we have to call ServiceNow is a platform, not a ticketing tool. And we can note down latest version of ServiceNow instance. Latest version of now is a comma. I may copy paste. This is the latest version of ServiceNow instance. Okay. Tomorrow also we can discuss about kind of introduction. What are the versions in Servicenow instance? What are the environments in Servicenow? Okay, what are the useful links in Servicenow? Okay, I may stop class today's session here. Any queries, let me know. Okay, I may take attendance once. If you have any queries, let me know. And somebody having issue, right? Maybe changing the password or something. I don't remember. Please share your screen. We can check that issue. If anybody not shared your details, so please share your details to this email address. Servicenow training 2018 @gmail.com. So if I want to communicate something, for example, today class, we have received blue screen error. So if I want to communicate that kind of